Speaking Thursday when he led the Al Khair Foundation in distributing 5,000 face masks to Westlands Health Center in Nairobi, Ministry of Health Chief Administrative Secretary Dr. Rashid Aman defended the move by the government to put strict measures in Eastleigh and Old Town in Mombasa to curb the spread of the coronavirus.
In terms of the government response, there is no profiling whatsoever in any form. We are working in the best interest of public health in taking these measures, and as we continue to do our targeted testing in some of the high-risk areas, we will come to see in future that the similar actions will also probably be taken in some of these.
Aman said it was just a coincidence that the two most affected areas of Eastleigh and Old Town in Mombasa, where movement restrictions are in place, are predominantly inhabited by persons of a particular faith.
When we look at the contact tracing and we map the way we are following people who have been exposed, of course we identify areas where we feel that there has been some level of exposure through this contact tracing, and that is then where we consider those areas could be fertile ground for community transmission. Aman,
however, encouraged locals to go for testing, as 70% of patients in the country get mild symptoms, adding that with strict adherence to set guidelines, the country will achieve milestones in the fight against COVID-19.
It is only a few that experience severe and may even progress to critical and succumb to the virus. But this generally again happens in people who are compromised in one way or the other, immunologically compromised, or have underlying disease conditions.
He urged all Kenyans and partners to continue supporting the government's efforts in combating the coronavirus, sentiments echoed by Eastleigh North Member of County Assembly Osman Ado, who emphasized the cessation of movement is a security measure for the good of citizens.
Sioni kwamba ulikuwa amefanya kusudi kutenga Waislamu ama Wasomali, ni ile tu kusaidia serikali kuweza kupambana na hiyo ugonjwa.
Suleimanieri, Channel 1 News.